I have an idea, maybe I am doing it wrong. I will try to show what I have in mind. Maybe I have to put each of these in a separate cell or line. But how can I do it? I can't even. Oh no, it's not better, it's worse. So I thought I should press them in, but I can't. Because there are too many, I can't put them in each one in a separate slot. Because there are too many. Maybe I have to put two. It seems maybe I have to put two in one slot as there are two on the line. Maybe you're supposed to do it like this. Let's see. You're supposed to fill in totally each of the, and then at least I didn't destroy anything. Let's try it on this one. Maybe if you do it step by step, slowly, it gets better. Okay, maybe you could do it like that, slowly. At least you're getting out the dirt from the cells, but it's not a fast process. And you definitely can make it worse if you put pressure in the wrong spot, like I did here. It wasn't like this here. Okay, you have to start with a very good spot, and then they themselves fall in, and then you somehow, maybe I have to do it like this. You are guiding them. And if it has broken off, you totally can make it worse, as it will go downstream and tear off more of them. So try on this damaged surface. Can I? No, you can't. At least not with this tool. You just can go through and make it. But somehow you can also make it worse. Maybe I have to use this somehow. Maybe I have to get close and you're using as a chopsticks, maybe, sort of. I would say this is more a meditative process than doing something really useful. Maybe you could fix. I would say it's more of a tool for destruction than for repair. So if you wanna make it look more beautiful and renew it, don't buy this one. Maybe try something else. So this, I don't know what it's used for.